Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Canadian Forces Base Borden and all of the soldiers, sailors, and aviators that are stationed there, we want to thank the City of Barrie for putting this on today, and we're pleased to be proud supporters. And this is another example of the wonderful community events that we're able to put together and work together on. I encourage everyone to enjoy the air show, and don't forget all of the wonderful static displays that are out there that help you see a little bit behind the scenes of what goes on in the Canadian Armed Forces and CFB Borden. Thanks, have a wonderful day.
Welcome to G&Do Adventures.
Today we're at the Barrie Air Show. We're going to see inversions, loops, and so much more. Come on, let's go.
Baby, afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Major Brett Parker, 71 from the lead aircraft. We thank everyone for coming out to our show today. I hope you've enjoyed our 2023 high show. Shania and Jenna, congratulations on the 30 weeks you guys. I'd like to thank the City of Barrie and also City of Barrie for all the support.
You just fold it in, and then like wrap it as best as you can. Then we've got tourniquets. So basically, if I was bleeding out, like from down here,
You put it on your arm and then twist the thing to make it stop bleeding.
yeah. And literally, all you have to do is just twist, and then keep twisting, and keep twisting. You need to use like a lot of pressure. That's why you usually have two hands with you, except this one, but it's definitely a lot. But right now, you'd probably have to do like, still probably like 5 more twists to stop the bleeding. It's really tough. Like if somebody had like a critical airway or like they had puncture to the chest, we would grab one of those patches, rip it off, put it right on. And right here, oh, this is one of our test tubes. So basically, you put your finger right in here, and then you try and control the bleed as much as possible. You got one person that has like blood and like liquid inside of here, squeezing it the whole time, so it's simulating like blood spurting out and everything. So you got one guy squeezing as hard as they can over here, you on here trying to control the bleed. If they can't squeeze it, that means that you controlled the bleed quite well because there's no more blood flowing out.
Yeah.
So that's one of the ways that they...
Hi guys.
Hi.
Would you guys like a flag?
Yeah. Sure.
Of course. There you are.
Thank you.
There are. Can I offer a sticker as well?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
We'll get you guys fully stocked up here. I'm gonna take a bookmark.
Thank you, Tip.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
Thank you. You too. We had a great time at the Barrie Air Show. We saw so many cool planes today. See you at the next adventure. Bye.